agree that one day
a teenager can, within their own small ways, turn on a small light in a dark room.
I'm not saying it's gonna be easy.
You're gonna work harder than you ever worked before.
But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
You got a dream, you gotta protect it. In spite of problems, don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something.
Because if you're willing to go through all the battling you gotta go through to get to where you want to get, who's got the right to stop you? Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth.
I say to you, what every warrior has known since the beginning of time.
Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure.
seize the day. Leave no doubt.
You want something, go get it. Period.
But you're gonna let it be
just exactly who you are in here.
That's the pursuit of happiness.
And people ask me all the time,
what if you lose?
Understand that battles are primarily won in the hearts of men.
But I want to tell you something that they don't know. They don't know your heart.
I'll tell you this, in any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die who's gonna win that inch.
You gotta lay that heart on the line.
Well, men, let me see your hearts.
This is your time
to rise from these ashes and grab glory.
The only thing I'm asking you guys to leave on the table is what's right.
And they will know!
You are heroes every day.
Believe me when I say,
Victory is waiting for you.
now go out there and take it.